Welcome back to my channel.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
So FlowSole had reached out to me. They wanted me to do a review on their product. This is a foot pain relief insole, which I will do well with it. But let's see what it is made up of. Alright, so it says right here, empowering your stride, support, cushion, anti-fatigue. I need all of those. I hope I can truly say that this is a good product. Alright, you know, in the garden, it takes a lot of work and a lot of time. Something can offer some relief on my feet. Let's see what it is like. Alright. First of all, I love the colors. Ta-da! Very nice. Alright, so it has written FlowSole. I love the colors. I really love the colors. Oh, this is pretty sturdy. This looks good. And this is an extra small, guys. They asked me what size to send. I wear size 6. This looks like the right size for me. So let's see what these are. It's it says FlowSole insole care guidelines. So these are guidelines how to care for them. I'm not going to read that out for you, but and there's also a disclaimer that it is not that it cannot replace the medical products and other disclaimers there. So they also have a scan the QR code to view the insole trimming tutorial video. Alright, so trimming tutorial video. Okay, this one says insole template for test trim. How to trim insoles. Okay, removable insole. Okay, so to get your right fit, you can trim it up. I'm not going to trim up this because these are the right fit for me. So you can actually, if you don't want to read and follow all of this, you want to watch a video, you can scan. There's a QR code that you can scan and watch that video. Alright, what is this? Hello, I am delighted that you've taken the time to read this letter. My name is Flo Smith. My wife Jennifer and I, co-founder of the FlowSole insole brand. We'd like to share the heartfelt story behind our brand. My childhood was deeply influenced by my grandmother's love. Tragically, her life was cut short by an organ failure stemming from foot-related ailments. Witnessing her suffering ignited my passion to become a podiatrist. A lot of information is on here as well. I'm looking at everything like so inside here it shows you what this actually does. So now time to try it out to see what I think about it. So you know I garden usually with these. I'm trying it out first with these. Let's see if it can fit. Oh, perfect. Perfect fit. Perfect. Whoa, that's nice. Okay, okay, okay. I'm loving the feel. Let's do the other one. Nice. Where did that ants come from? Yep. All right. Whoa. Really? Guys, this is no joke. No joke. This actually feels good. No joke about it. Like, wow. Quite a lift. Wow. This feels good. Yep, this is something I would buy. Yep, this is definitely something I would buy. They feel really, really good. Feel very, very good. I love it. I like it. This is nice. I really like it. Thank you so much, FlowSole, for choosing me. I love it. I actually do. I would recommend this. I am going to leave a link to this in my description. If you are interested, you can go ahead and check it out. Guys, I am so excited. I am going on the road and I want to try my FlowSole in my sneakers. I'm not even going to wear any socks because I want to get the real feel and to see exactly how it feels on the road moving about. Is it as good as how I felt in my garden? So yes, don't forget, the link to it will be in the description, and so far I am in love. It is what it is. It is a nice product. All right, so let's go. I am just really fascinated with the arch. Thank you so much again, Dawson, for choosing me to do a review on your product. I love it. Good job. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good. Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica, with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it and thank you so much in advance.